YouTube channel, and today we're unboxing a Macbook Pro, as you can see in the title. So my mommy brought this so that we can make more videos for you in the future. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get in. So guys, as you can see, there's this little peel. That's what I'm gonna peel right here. I'm gonna start doing that. Very satisfying. If you have a MacBook Pro, like if you do a cut, that's not the right way. But you guys that do know about this, that's good because it's very satisfying. But also using a cut is also satisfying. That got ruined. Okay, this is very satisfying. Okay, this is way more satisfying. Alright, so that's all that. So let's get into it. Wait, where do I start? Okay, so let's get into it. So this is it right here. It's super beautiful. So I'm just gonna take it out. I'm just gonna lift it open. I got it. This is the adapter and this is the cable. So now I'm gonna carefully take it down. And carefully do it like that. Here, there's an Apple logo here and an Apple logo at the back too. So now, wait, I need to switch it. Wait, so now I'm gonna open it. Wow. And now it's time to peel. As you can see, I have opened it. And like this stuff glows. It's very cool. So now, time for the satisfying part. Wasn't that satisfying, guys? This is the MacBook Pro. So this is MacBook Pro, and we bought the accessories too right here. Here's the adapter, and here is the mouse. So that's it for today, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye! Mwah.